Have you ever wondered why you can scroll through TikTok or Instagram for hours without feeling tired? But the moment you open a book for just 5 minutes, your eyes start to close? I used to be the same way. A true social media addict, always holding my phone, staring at endless short videos that didn't mean much, while homework piled up like a mountain. Then I discovered the real reason: dopamine, the brain's natural addiction chemical. Think of your brain as a rocket and dopamine as the fuel. Every time you get a new message, a like, or watch something funny, your brain pumps out dopamine, giving you instant pleasure. Social media is designed to hijack this system with three powerful tricks. First, constant stimulation. Every swipe brings something new. Second, random rewards. You never know what's coming next, just like pulling the lever on a slot machine. Third, zero effort. You don't have to think, you just swipe. Studying, on the other hand, is the opposite. It's what I call a dopamine disaster. Books are full of dense text. They demand focus, and the rewards, like grades or praise, come much later. Your brain, spoiled by the candy of social media, now resists the plain vegetables of studying. That's why you find yourself addicted to your phone but struggling to sit with a book. The good news is that you can retrain your brain. The first step is a dopamine detox. Try giving yourself just 15 minutes of boredom every day. Turn off your phone, sit quietly, or take a walk without any distractions. At first, it feels unbearable. Your brain will scream for TikTok, but that's actually a good sign. It means your brain is withdrawing, recalibrating. After a week, you'll notice something different. Tea tastes good without your phone, and reading a few pages feels less painful. That's your brain waking up after being drunk on dopamine. Detox is like rinsing out a dirty cup so you can refill it with something fresh, like curiosity for learning. So how do you get dopamine to work for you while studying? You hack it. Instead of setting big, vague goals like finish the whole math chapter, break them down into mini challenges. Solve 3 problems in 10 minutes. When you succeed, reward yourself with a drink you like or a favorite song. If you're into soccer, picture vectors as passes on the field. If you love movies, imagine historical battles as epic fight scenes. You can also gamify it. Keep a paper by your desk, and every time you finish 25 minutes of focus, mark a big red X. After a week, seeing that chain of X's feels like leveling up in a game. Another trick is connecting knowledge with your daily life. When you do squats and your heart races, that's literally biology in action, your cells burning ATP. When your car runs out of gas, that's thermodynamics. When your phone battery drains fast, that's physics, power, and energy. Even literature can be fun. Instead of writing boring essays, imagine your favorite character posting on TikTok or Instagram. What would they write? And with languages, tie it to what you love. Translate your favorite lyrics, or watch dramas without subtitles and let your brain reward you when you understand. When knowledge links to your real life, your brain starts to treat studying as natural, and dopamine flows just like it does when you scroll. That's when learning becomes addictive. Remember, your brain is already an incredible learning machine. It just needs the right operating system. Don't force it. Guide it with curiosity. Don't study just for grades. Study because you want to understand the world. So here's my challenge for you, Ho. Today, pick up one page from a book you used to find boring. Apply one of these dopamine hacks and see how your brain reacts. You're not lazy. You simply need smarter strategies for your brain. And once you start, you'll realize you can make learning as addictive as TikTok.